When you search for the best Hamilton watches for men, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually stands out and fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic. Let's kick it off with the Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic. Priced at $795, this watch immediately caught my eye with its classic design and Swiss craftsmanship. If you want reliability and ruggedness in a watch, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is the Swiss H10 movement, which offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve. This means you won't have to wind it daily, it's ready when you are. Plus, with a water resistance of up to 100 meters, it's perfect for those spontaneous swimming adventures or outdoor activities, making it a go-to for people who love adventure. The 38mm stainless steel case and black leather strap give it a timeless, versatile look that can be dressed up or down. And let's not forget about the sapphire crystal, which is resistant to scratches and ensures clarity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You're investing in a watch that's not just about telling time, but about making a statement with a rich heritage behind it. Now, some users have mentioned that the strap can feel a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, it breaks in over time, and many appreciate the durability it offers. So if you're looking for a watch that combines function and style with a bit of history, this one might be for you. This is perfect for you if you value both form and function in a watch. Skip this one if you're looking for something more flashy or digital. For the quality you get, it's a solid value for money. Product number 2, Hamilton Khaki Field Murph Automatic. Next up, we have the Hamilton Khaki Field Murph Automatic, which is priced at $1,095. What grabbed my attention was its slightly larger 40-tomb case and its more modern design. If you want a stylish yet functional watch, this is definitely worth considering. The Swiss H10 movement here also ensures that you get that 80-hour power reserve, just like the previous model. So whether it's a day at the office or a weekend adventure, you'll have consistent performance. And yes, it also boasts that 100-meter water resistance, making it a reliable companion for any water-related activities. The black dial and leather strap create a sophisticated look, with Super Luminova ensuring you can read the time easily in low light. Here's why this matters. If you're often out and about, you need a watch that not only looks good but functions well in various conditions. However, some customers have pointed out that the leather strap can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, it might take some time to adjust, but once you do, you'll appreciate the comfort and durability it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's both practical and stylish enough for social occasions. Skip this one if you prefer a smaller watch face. For the quality and features, it's a worthwhile investment. Product number 3, Hamilton Khaki Field King Automatic. Now let's check out the Hamilton Khaki Field King Automatic. This one is priced at $795 and features a 40mm stainless steel case that caught my attention with its unique beige dial. If you're looking for something that stands out while still being practical, this is worth a serious look. With the Swiss H40 movement and the same robust 80-hour power reserve, this watch is all about reliability. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, which means it's less suited for swimming but still a great choice for everyday wear, especially for those who appreciate a bit of style in their accessories. The leather strap is designed for comfort, and this watch's clean lines make it perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Here's why this matters. If you want a watch that transitions well from work to play, this one fits the bill. That said, some reviews have mentioned that the beige dial can be hard to read in bright sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who often checks the time indoors or during the evening, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a classic watch with a twist. Skip this one if you need a watch that's highly water resistant. For the price point, it's a great value considering the craftsmanship. Product number 4, Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic Stainless Steel Strap. Moving on, let's talk about another variant of the Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic, this time with a stainless steel strap. Priced at $845, it's sleek and stylish. If you prefer a metal band for durability, this is a solid choice. Like its leather counterpart, this watch features the Swiss H10 movement and 100-meter water resistance, ensuring it's built for adventure. The stainless steel bracelet not only adds to its durability, but also gives it a more modern look that many might prefer over leather. What's great about this model is the Super Luminova feature, which makes it easy to read in the dark. For those of you who often find yourselves on night adventures, this is a thoughtful touch. Here's why this matters. It's not just about the aesthetics, it's about functionality when you're in low light. However, some users have found that the stainless steel strap can feel a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, if you're used to lighter watches, there might be an adjustment period, but the quality makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable and stylish watch that can handle your lifestyle. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter accessory. It's a fantastic value for anyone serious about watches. Product number 5, Hamilton American Classic Bolton Mechanical. Lastly, we have the Hamilton American Classic Bolton Mechanical, priced at $1,075. This watch really caught my attention with its vintage-inspired design and unique manual winding feature. If you're a fan of classic elegance, this is definitely worth a look. It's also water-resistant up to 50 meters, so while it's not meant for deep swims, it can handle splashes and light rain. The refined white dial and leather strap give it a timeless charm. Here's why this matters. If you appreciate watches that combine history with modern technology, this one embodies that beautifully. However, some customers have mentioned that the manual winding can be inconvenient. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy the ritual of winding a watch and appreciate the artistry, this adds to the experience rather than detracts from it. This is perfect for you if you appreciate vintage aesthetics and enjoy a classic watch experience. Skip this one if you want a watch that's purely automatic. For the craftsmanship and unique design, it's worth every penny. To wrap it up, we've explored the Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic, the Murph, the King, the stainless steel variant, and the American Classic Bolton. Each of these watches brings something special to the table, from rugged durability to elegant designs. No matter which one you choose, you're investing in a piece of history that combines style and functionality.